Oh my gosh, you guys, today I feel like it's a good day for me to show you guys my esthetician school and give you guys a little bit of a tour. And just as a disclaimer, I do not want to disclose the name of the school just yet or the address, just for my privacy for now. But in the future, upon finishing the program and graduating, I will be sharing all the details of where I went and the tuition and everything in regards to where I went, so you guys can check out the school if you guys are interested here in Los Angeles. But today I am here at my esthetician school. It is a little like 2 minutes before 5 o'clock. I have to punch in, I have to clock in, but I'm gonna go through and show you guys everything around the school. It is a beauty school, so there's cosmetology, skincare, there's no nails available, but I really love the esthetician program. And if you guys didn't know, my friend Yoli went here, and a few other very popular estheticians and artists have gone to the school as well. The comments, you guys have said that you guys are going back to school yourself or aspire to go back to school. Some of you guys had thought that I was gonna start a skincare line. I have no plans to, because I think it's bogus if you are not in skincare just yet. Maybe in the future, but for now I just want to do this for me. I have been enjoying it so far, but today I want to give you guys the TT and the low on the school. So let a bitch clock in. Also, I'm going to show you guys what's in my backpack. I'll probably go in thorough detail in a separate video, maybe meet some of my classmates, the teachers, everything. So this is what I bring to school. This is my water jug, and this is my backpack. Guys, this backpack is literally the freaking best. It's for nurses and doctors, and I thought it would fit a lot of my supplies. And I love how there's handles right here and a privacy case, a charger. Obsessed, and I got it from Amazon. Let me clock in and I'm gonna give you guys the tour. Alright guys, so you guys saw the front of the school, the cosmetology side and the reception area, but this is like the esthetician side. So I literally enter through there, and then I go here through these doors, and this is where all the magic happens, where we learn about facials, anatomy, the physiology of the skin. And sometimes what's really cool about the school is that we have guest speakers from Dermalogica, from Murad, from this brand of Raquel Beauty, also Dermaesthetics, and it's really nice to learn about different opportunities, because what's crazy is that we are prepped here at this school with the curriculum to make sure we are spa ready. So we don't really necessarily here get the training of like microneedling or like the lasers or chemical peels to the extent. A lot of my friends that are estheticians, you learn that outside and after the school at other brands, but here they really want to prep us for the state board exam. If you guys didn't know, I have to complete 600 clock-in hours at this school, so I came in a little bit early before class started to show you guys the school before I had to start. If you guys have any questions or comments down below, feel free to put them in the comments and then I could answer them for you. But this is the tour of my school, so let's come in. So the first area that you have right here is the spa room. This is where clients would come in and get their facials. We get to set up our beds. We have like bed sheets and towels there. There's a washer and dryer there, but this is where the seniors get to take clients. We have been practicing alongside of the seniors on family and friends. I've learned brow laminations, lash lifts, and just the basics of the facial. So what's really cool is like sometimes we'll gather and we'll have like a demo here by guest speakers. When I was filming the Ursula video, I did not have time to go home and wash it off, the one with Winnie Harlow. So guess what? I came to school as Ursula because it was Halloween anyways. It's really cool because everyone celebrated my birthday. They brought food, cake, and it's just really weird but also really cool to be back in school. So this is where we learn pretty much everything. All right guys, this is the senior classroom. That was the spa area you guys just saw. I'm always used to speaking really softly in there because it's the spa. So I'm just used to speaking quietly in there. Over here is the senior class, where I have not yet been able to go to because I'm still a freshman. Miss Maribel, I did her niece's quinceañera makeup. So
wonderful.
Yeah, so much fun. So I love connecting, and if you guys are wondering how I got to do someone's quince, it was because of her. So you like the school so far?
I love it. I love it. So that's why I'm still here.
How much do you have left?
50 hours.
50 hours? She's done 550 hours left, and she is tracking all her hours. This is our punch-in sheet, as you guys saw I punched in. So yeah, she's almost done, and I'm jealous. So I have a lot to go. So over here, guys, is the freshman classroom. This is kind of like a little hallway. There's a storage closet that we just passed. This is a lot of our distilled water that we have to have for our steamers. We have to use distilled water. Any other water could ruin your steamer. We have a little fridge right here. If you guys recognize the school, if you guys don't know the school, stay tuned in when I finish the program, hopefully in a few months, and I'll reveal everything to you guys. But over here, you guys saw that I had to clock in right here. So we clock in. I take my sheet, I punch in, and then we file it once we complete the week, and we get to keep track of our operations. So at the school, we do book work, we do like theory learning from the book, and then we also do operation hours where we actually get to work on people, like the waxing, the facials, all that, and we keep track of it so our teachers can keep track and make sure that we are learning properly what we're supposed to be learning the right way. And if you guys got confused, like clients can come in, but they know that they're getting training from a school, from students, so keep that in mind. But yeah, this is where my classroom is. This is my classroom. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
This is Cliff, esthetician classmate. I sit in front of him. This is Chelsea.
Hello. Are you making YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, hi YouTube.
This is Yoko. And we're all tracking our hours to make sure that we can get out of here. How much do you have left? A lot.
A lot.
We have a lot, right?
Hours, hundreds.
Out of everybody, this one has the most out of all of us. You have like 200 hours so far?
I think like 274. I think like 220.
Yeah, I was about to say.
He has over 200 hours. I have like 160 hours maybe. Well, I didn't count last week yet, so but I'm gonna do the math because it's a Monday today. This is more classmates. This is Freddie.
Hi. How are you? And this is my husband.
Husband, he's getting work done today. Really quick, guys, this is the wax room right here where we wax. There's a big drag queen kind of curtain where we could do drag shows and things, so Miss Athena could perform. Because she just wanted to do a Elizabeth performance so bad. We have wax warmers, gloves, everything that we need for waxing. And we can take different clients. I'll be waxing Jose's bussy today. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you guys, but this is my esthetician school. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys want to see more esthetician content, school girly content, maybe my backpack in another video, let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.